Today we're gonna see if we can turn this plywood into Formula 1 logo with mostly a jigsaw and some skinny blades. I mean, it would be pretty silly to do this pattern on the old Formula 1 logo by hand, right? This one came out good. We have a little boomerang over here, but let's see how many regrets I'll have by cutting this thing out. Fingers crossed nothing will snap or get too sketchy. But we did get it done. It's actually pretty good looking. I'm surprised it came out this good. But that's one of the only reasons I even wanted to make this. I was just curious to see if this is doable with the jigsaw or I was just being dumb. But apparently you can. It's pretty nice and even. I wonder if you can play music like doo-doo-doo-doo. So I put the backgrounds on these, got the little hangers. I took this one out already so we can paint it separately. This one is in two pieces. These things were not quite even, so I put a piece of tape over here, actually over here, so they stick out evenly. And then because the jigsaw was shaking them off too much, I just snipped them with the surgical scissors. It's not great looking, you can see some flaws like the plywood. It's kind of falling apart a little bit there, but as mediocrities would say, meh, good enough. Right, and there we have it. It came out quite good. Very happy with it. I flipped the color on the F1. I didn't want to spray the whole thing white and have the F in black. It's just much easier to do the whole thing in black. Plus they match a little bit better this way. Surprisingly, this part wasn't that hard to do. I thought it was going to be very challenging. It wasn't too bad. I mean, a little bit tricky, but not. And then this one was alright. Somehow I recognized that these two lines are not exactly parallel. I think they're supposed to be, but must have been the distortion in the projector, or maybe I just messed up on the initial cut a little bit. Very bright, vibrant colors, quite happy with it. I'm pretty sure he's gonna love it for his birthday, and it's even better that I think he's gonna give one to his dad. So I think my buddy will be quite happy with that, quite pleased. I do think both logos are boring though. That one is just dated, but I do like the negative space one, and that one is just kind of like, what's this, financial independence, Formula 1, squiggle line. And then the random tools are here just for scale. I didn't know what to kind of put in the picture for scale, so I think we'll go with that. Pretty sure that's all the things a proper Russian Formula 1 team would need. I actually do like this sign also for my garage. It matches my bike, the cabinets, just everything is kind of in that thematic except for the Michelin Man maybe and the trash bag. But yeah, pretty nice. And then tomorrow we got a big day. We got a Montero party to go to. I'm gonna be installing some front springs. I got shocks all around. We're gonna do a Dakar sign, do it live on site, just for fun for Leo, not me, but another Leo from the Florida Montero community. And so hopefully tomorrow we're gonna finally level it out. But anyways, I'll see you next time. Maybe this will inspire you to make some garage decorations for yourself, maybe your husband or your wife. I don't know of many wives who are into Formula 1, but there probably are. So anyways, great success. I'll see you next time. We got plenty of other things to build.